front of the in-laws. And a granny, for that matter. No, I was so sick. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm with your girl Kilobogile Sekhetho, for those who do not know me, and I'm with my friend Bella.
Hey!
Yeah, today we are doing some sort of like a mukbang. Yeah, and then as we talk, we will be eating, asking questions right here. Never have I ever. That's the type of play we'll be doing for today. Okay, so let's get started.
I'm going to start with the meat.
She's hungry already. Okay, we have water, guys. You know, I will show you my video of. No. You will see the picture on my previous video where I have my own vision board. I want to start to get on that journey where I eat well, live healthy, do exercises. I want to be that girl because I feel like in that manner you get to enjoy
that girl.
Am I? Yeah, actually I do exercise, guys. It's just that recently I haven't been doing all of that. Yeah, I am that type of girl that exercises, that eats healthy. You know, I will share with you some recipes that I get to do that is healthy.
And we even made this. Actually, we bought this. But
Yeah, we bought
have
everything. For now, we bought everything. But I will share with you as I continue with my channel. You will get to notice that really this type of girl, she does likes to cook. I like salads. I like to bake. You know, I like to do a lot of things. I like to sing, read books. That's me. Hey, she has even finished one being like all red. I'm kidding, guys. Yeah, this is food from this other slaghuis. What's slaghuis in English?
It's a butchery.
Yes, a butcher. Oh my God, English. Hey, with the most.
This is nice. It slaps. Okay. First question.
Who's starting? Me or you?
Mm-hmm.
Who should start? Okay, let me start. Secretly, never have I ever secretly enjoyed a smell that other people find gross. For me, is petrol odd. Hey, mama! See, you mate. YouTube samaya. Even now, I enjoy the smell of petrol.
I'm gonna puke. I even struggle when I get in the car and then the car uses petrol. I struggle. Like it's either I get a headache or I feel like puking. So mostly when I'm using public transport, I'm having mints. Like those sweets, the mint sweets. So I'm mostly having those because the mint then helps me. But with the petrol,
When you are deep in sinuses.
Yeah, sinuses. Yo.
I also have sinuses, but you are. When you are worse.
No.
Okay.
I don't think there is a but. Sometimes I enjoy the smell of my farts. Sometimes, not always. But sometimes when I have fart in my bed, I'm like, oh.
Don't fart. When I'm around, please don't.
Okay, next
But
question.
no, wait. I also have another smell which I enjoy. The smell of my breast.
Really? Does it smell? When you're breastfeeding what?
When you go a long period of, actually, let me say, you bath around 8, or is it maybe 6 or 7, and then you continue during the day doing this and that. You get to be sweaty sometimes here, right? Yes. When I do that,
Because I have small breasts, so I don't
maybe that's why. But now I enjoy I enjoy that smell.
Okay. Next question. Never have I ever sung in the shower.
No, I do. I once sang in the shower. Not actually once. I do. It's normal for me.
I mean,
For me, it's normal.
even when I'm working,
But this meat is nice.
I
One
also
thing
sing
about
in
me,
the shower.
I enjoy food.
These are buffalo wings,
Sorry.
and we're eating pasta. We didn't even show you the food. Anyway, next question. So you sing in the shower. I also sing.
Never have I ever dropped my phone in the toilet. I have never.
Even I've never.
Serious?
Never. I have never. I barely take my phone to the toilet actually.
No, you do.
If you see me taking my phone to the toilet, it's either, well, maybe when I started dating, when I was 18, 19, and I want to hide it from the people in the house, and then my boyfriend calls, and I'm with people, then maybe that way, yeah. Maybe then, but I never threw my phone in the... I never dropped my phone in the toilet. So next question. Never have I ever had my phone ring while in a movie theater.
Guys, how sad. I've never been to a movie theater. I've never been to a movie theater, guys.
Really?
How embarrassing.
I'm not a person who likes to go out that much, but I've been to a movie theater. I think 4 times, 3 times I've been to a movie theater, and mostly it was with friends. But I've never.
Look! Who can you talk to your video? What does she want? She wants shoes.
Okay, I've never received a call while I'm in the movie theater. And mostly when I'm in the places like those, I switch off my data.
That's what I
switch
would
off
do.
That's
what I would
my phone is mostly on silent. I don't like receiving calls.
That one
So
I can verify. She never answers my calls. Never.
but I return calls though. I return
Yes,
calls,
you do. You should answer.
Yeah, that's something I'm working on. Because the sound of the phone ringing irritates me. And that's why my phone is mostly on silent, because the sound of the you want this part? You want this part? Then next question.
Isn't this your question? Who?
Never have I ever tried to pass a silent fart that came out loud instead.
That happens to me a lot of times. You remember when I wasn't used to you and I farted? When was that though? Or was it you? I definitely believe it was you.
Yeah,
When I farted. And then I acted as if I wasn't embarrassed.
Well, seriously, as for me, when I was in high school, I used to fart in front of people. I would do like this actually, and then fart and not even get embarrassed. But then, as time went by, growing up, you know, I mostly fart in the toilet. I try by all means to avoid to fart
in public.
Yeah.
No, no, I fart.
Unless maybe I'm having problem. Maybe my tummy is upset or something. Yeah. Yes. But I always try to avoid that I fart in front of people. So I don't think I've tried to pass out a fart in silence and then it came out loud. No, I don't think so.
I just remember.
Because when I used to fart around people, I would fart and not even feel embarrassed. Like, I would fart and make sure that you all know that I farted. And not
I was farted in front of the in-laws. And a granny, for that matter. No, I was so ashamed. I was ashamed.
And then what did they say?
No, he kept quiet. Hey! It was very awkward. Very.
I can imagine. Okay, next question.
Never have I ever accidentally set something on fire. No, the incident where we were together with my sisters. That was not me. It was my sister, so it's not me. So, but I was part of the people that were questioned at the police station.
Well, as for me, it was a dish towel. When I was cooking and then it got burned on the stove because I was cooking on the gas stove. So it got burned, but it was a minor. It wasn't something big. Yeah.
Yeah. Anyways, I would shout at you for a cloth. No, I've never.
Next question. Never have I ever made silly faces on my teachers.
9 primary. I once placed straws in my nose, this big one, and then showed it to my classmates, and then they were laughing. So the teacher took me out of the class because I was disrupting the class, and it was in primary, so I was just being silly.
I don't think I've done that, but I know I've been stubborn. But not to make fun faces.
That time I was one silly kid. I would fight with boys, take them and put their heads inside the dustbin. I was very strong. Seriously, I was one strong kid. Ask my classmate, I don't know if my classmates, one of them sees this, they would relate and say she was very strong and very crazy. Seriously,
I'm the one who got bullied.
I was not a bully. I was not a bully, but I was crazy. I was crazy.
Next question.
Where did you end? Here. Silly faces.
Number 8.
Never have I screamed during a scary movie. You and I do that, and my boyfriend gets so irritated. You guys. It's not.
I barely watch scary movies. If I know that it's scary, if I know that it's a horror movie, I'm not going to watch. I don't want to dream about it because I'm definitely going to dream about it. So I make sure that I don't watch horror movies.
Yeah.
That's me because I don't want to be disturbed in my sleep. I want to sleep peacefully.
Wow! You did a video again. Mama, go
Africa will not take a no for an answer.
Yes. This is cute.
He's going to make